Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at how to replace the key fob battery on a Rolls-Royce key. This one happens to be a 2019 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This vehicle is currently for sale. I'll go ahead and link the vehicle below. For the Rolls-Royce key, it's not too difficult. First, you're going to want to remove the little protector key blade here. You'll see why in a second, but this is going to prohibit taking off this back cover that has the key behind it, which I'll point out here in a second. Look for these little tabs on the side here, and you're simply going to want to kind of twist on both sides, and it should pop up here. So just referring to what I had earlier and why you need to pop out that top one right here, it locks in a tab here, which it looks like someone's already been in this key fob and did it incorrectly. So that lets you pop off that back panel easy. Next, you're gonna take just a flathead screwdriver. It's gonna be labeled open and close. So you're just going to twist. It'll pop off. And then you're gonna replace this battery with a CR2032. And basically just do the reverse operation, and we will close it back up. Line the open with the two arrows here. Put your flathead in, rotate it so it says close. You have this little notch on the bottom, slide it in, click it in, and then slide in your key blade. And you're all done. Just change the key battery on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan.